Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you list an item on eBay. So let's get into the video. So if you're planning to list something or sell something on eBay, so what you have to do is first log into your eBay account. So if you log into your eBay account, once you've logged in, you'll see something like this, a screen lump something like this. So you have to click on this on your top here, you'll see an option called sell. So click on that. So click on sell. Once you click on sell, you should see this screen here. So here there's an option called on your right, list an item. So all you have to do is just click on that. So this will now initiate the process of listing your item. So you're going to list your item here. So first question is like you're going to tell them what you're selling. So what's your products? For example, I'm just selling one of my Samsung phone. So just for demo, I'm using this, right? And then yep, click on select on the search result and click on search. So once you have done that, what you can do now here is going to ask you all the details. Since I've mentioned a phone, it's going to ask me all details of the phones. So likewise, whatever item you're listing, you're going to provide, it's going to ask you the details for, it's like more exact details of the product that you're going to list. So here, yep, I'm just saying the same thing. So I'll just use something like that. So I'll choose that. I'll select all these just for purpose. I'll just randomly select all these. Okay. All right. Okay. So, all right. So, yep. So everything. So I've selected all the questions and everything. So once you're done with selecting your um, product and everything, deploying all the details here, then you have to click continue to list. And here on the next step here, all you have to do here is just waiting till it loads. All right, on here you can add the photos of the item that you're going to sell or list. So just going to click on that, and then you can add your photos there. So that one I'm not going to do that because I'm not really going to sell my phone. So and you can just check all these details if it's everything is right, or if you need to edit it, you can click on edit and edit it, so everything is fine. All right, and then if you want to mention any specific description about your item or the of its condition, you can mention it here. And also you can mention here a more detailed description, and then you can check all these things and the pricing and everything, so you can choose whatever that suits your that suits you. So from price, whether it's an auction or you're a buy or fixed price, you can just put all those information here. And once you have done with that, and here it's going to ask you about the shipping information, so you can just choose whatever that's applicable and that that you want to. You can choose all these details, and once you have choose all this information here, including the payment options here. So what do you have to do in last, once you have completed all the fields and filled all the filled everything, so all you have to do is click on list it. So once you click on list it, it's going to eBay is going to list your item, and it will be published for sale. So that's how it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.